Have you ever wondered why some moments in life seem to arrive just when you're ready for them, as if the universe itself is patiently waiting for you to catch up? Imagine the cosmos as a master conductor, orchestrating the symphony of your life, holding the crescendo until every note, every instrument is in perfect harmony. Today, on Cosmic Horizon Hub, we are diving into a fascinating concept: why the universe waits until you're ready. This ain't just philosophical musings or vague New Age advice. It is deeply connected to the science of timing, consciousness, and the hidden patterns of reality. Picture this: a star forming in the vast emptiness of space. It doesn't ignite the moment dusk gathers. It waits for the precise alignment of gas, gravity, and energy. Could it be that the universe, in a similar way, waits until your mind, heart, and soul are aligned to deliver the exact experiences, lessons, and opportunities you need? You might have noticed situations where the perfect chance appears only after struggle, after growth, or after a seemingly long period of waiting. That's not coincidence. It's the universe timing events with remarkable precision, ensuring that you're prepared to fully embrace the outcome. But what those ready really mean, and how does the universe know it? Readiness isn't simply about skill, intelligence, or experience. It's about a harmony between your inner world and the external forces around you. Science has long observed that timing is crucial. In physics, resonance occurs when two frequencies match perfectly, producing maximum energy transfer. Think of it as pushing someone on a swing. Push too early or too late, and the swing barely moves. Push at the perfect moment, and it soars higher than ever. In the same way, opportunities in life have a resonance frequency that aligns with your state of readiness. Pus tu son, and the potential fizzles. Arrive when you're ready, and momentum propels you forward with astonishing force. But this isn't just poetic imagery. It connects with cognitive psychology too. Neuroscientists have discovered that the brain is constantly predicting, preparing, and priming itself for events. When you've reached a certain level of neural readiness, your decision-making, creativity, and intuition are heightened. It's as if your brain flips a switch when the universe delivers the moment it knows you can handle it. And it gets even more intriguing when we consider chaos theory and the butterfly effect. Tiny changes in initial conditions can lead to massive differences in outcomes. The universe doesn't rush to hand you experiences while you're in the wrong state, because the tiniest misalignment could create chaos in your life's trajectory. Waiting ensures that when the event arrives, the unfolding is precise, efficient, and life. Imagine, for a moment, the growth of a seed buried deep in the soil. It doesn't sprout the instant it hits the ground. It waits for rainfall, the perfect temperature, and nutrients to reach the right balance. Similarly, the universe nurtures your circumstances, delaying moments until the conditions of your life have reached optimal fertility. This is why impatience often backfires. When we try to force events prematurely, outcomes can feel messy, unsatisfying, or incomplete. But when we allow time for preparation, learning, and internal alignment, the universe delivers with remarkable elegance. Here's a fascinating twist. Quantum physics suggests that the observer affects reality. The act of observation collapses possibilities into a singular outcome. Could it be that your readiness, your consciousness, your inner alignment acts as the observer in your life? When you're ready, the universe collapses infinite potential into the precise opportunity you need. And consider the role of emotional readiness. Psychologists have found that emotional intelligence is a key predictor of success. People who manage their emotions, cultivate empathy, and understand themselves are more likely to seize opportunities effectively. The universe, in a sense, waits for the development of emotional sophistication, ensuring that the gifts it offers are received wisely. But let's not forget the hidden patterns, the synchronistic signals the universe sends as preparation. Ever notice a sudden string of coincidences, insights, or repeated numbers just before a major breakthrough? These are subtle markers indicating that your internal readiness is catching up with external events. Ignoring them is like missing the train by minutes. Recognizing them means stepping onto the track at the perfect moment. Another compelling layer is the concept of growth through resistance. Many spiritual and scientific thinkers point out that the universe often withholds certain experiences until you've grown sufficiently to handle them. Resistance, challenges, and delays Aren't obstacles there calibrations, refining your skills, patience, and perspective? It's like a blacksmith shaping metal. Heat, pressure, and repeated strikes aren't punishment. They're essential preparation. Without this forging process, your potential might arrive too early, unshaped, and unstable. And here's where the twist deepens. Sometimes the universe waits not just for you, but for everyone else involved. Relationships, collaborations, or complex projects often require multiple individuals to reach readiness simultaneously. Timing becomes a collective phenomenon, orchestrated across minds, intentions, and actions. A discovery in physics may take decades, not because of chance, but because all variables researchers, resources, and conceptual frameworks must converge. Life follows a similar pattern. Now, let's bring this to a personal scale. Think about your own missed opportunities. The ones that felt like doors slammed shut, did they really vanish? Or were they postponed until you could approach them with insight, courage, and clarity? Often, the moments you thought were lost returned and transformed. More impactful ways, illustrating the universe's subtle guidance. And while it's tempting to become frustrated during waiting periods, consider the value hidden in preparation. Each challenge, each delay, each moment of uncertainty is adding layers of readiness, not resilience, intuition that amplify the eventual experience. This principle is mirrored in astronomy. Stars, planets, and galaxies take billions of years to form, yet each stage of cosmic evolution is essential. Imagine if the sun ignited before the Earth had stabilized, or if life evolved before oxygen existed in the atmosphere. Timing ensures not only existence, but optimal flourishing. Here's a question to spark curiosity. What if every frustration, delay, or setback you've experienced is actually the universe's way of tuning your frequency to match the opportunity you were meant to receive? Could impatience actually misalign your own state, preventing readiness? Many philosophical traditions suggest this. Patience isn't passive waiting. It's active alignment. Cultivate your skills, deepen your understanding, and refine your emotional and mental states. As you do, the universe, like a master conductor, waits in silence, poised to release the symphony. At the exact moment, your inner world resonates perfectly with external reality. And here's an even deeper insight. The universe operates on multiple scales simultaneously. While you're waiting for a personal breakthrough, unseen forces, social trends, scientific discoveries, cosmic cycles are aligning behind the scenes. What seems like stagnation is actually complex orchestration, invisible to the naked eye, ensuring maximum impact when timing and readiness converge. So, how can we practically tune ourselves to be ready? First, cultivate self-awareness. Understand your patterns, fears, strengths, and weaknesses. Second, engage in consistent growth learning, reflecting, practicing patience. Third, pay attention to signs, synchronicities, and opportunities as they appear. And fourth, embrace trust. The universe is not arbitrary. It's precise, intelligent, and responsive to your readiness. Remember, readiness doesn't mean perfection. It means sufficient alignmentally, emotionally, spiritually to handle and utilize the opportunity fully. Each moment of waiting is a preparation, a hidden calibration, ensuring that when the doors finally open, you enter with clarity, courage, and capacity. In summary, the universe waits until you're ready, because timing is everything. Just as stars wait for precise cosmic conditions to ignite, your life's pivotal moments await the alignment of internal readiness and external opportunity. Delays are not denials. They are carefully constructed preludes, orchestrating your growth and potential. By recognizing the subtle cues, embracing personal development, and trusting the process, you align with the rhythm of the cosmos itself. Life becomes not a series of random events, but a synchronized dance with the universe, a dance that only reveals its full beauty when your steps are prepared and your heart is ready. So, as you navigate moments of waiting, setbacks, and anticipation, remember, the universe isn't withholding, it's waiting for you to be ready to receive, to act, and to transform your potential into reality. Timing is not luck. It's the product of alignment, growth, and resonance. Every pause is purposeful. Every delay is deliberate. And every moment is a signal that the universe is preparing to reveal something extraordinary just for you. Take a moment now to reflect on the areas of your life where you've been waiting. Ask yourself, am I truly ready, or am I rushing the process? Consider that preparation, patience, and attunement may be the very keys to unlocking experiences far beyond your imagination. And here's the subtle but profound truth. The universe is patient, infinitely patient, but it also requires your active participation. Growth, awareness, and alignment are not optional. They are the conditions for readiness. So, nurture yourself, sharpen your understanding, and embrace the journey. When the moment arrives, you won't just receive a tool, embody it. And that is the secret of why the universe waits until you're ready. If this idea resonates with you, take a moment to reflect in the comments below on how patience and preparation have shaped your own life. Share your insights, your experiences, and let's explore together how readiness unlocks the extraordinary. And don't forget to like this video if it gave you a fresh perspective, subscribe to Cosmic Horizon Hub for more deep dives into the universe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss the cosmic rhythms guiding your life.